I bet you didn't know a whole train can be cleaned in just 7 minutes, by hand. Let's see how Japan pulls off this daily magic. Picture this. Hundreds of passengers just hopped off the Shinkansen. In rush a team of cleaners, each with their own task. They've got exactly 7 minutes before new riders board. Seats are spun around, trays wiped, windows polished, floors swept. Every move down to a science. No wasted motion, no missed spots. The speed? Insane. The precision? Flawless. These aren't just cleaners, they're heroes keeping Japan's bullet train sparkling and on time. Next time you board a train, remember, you just witnessed the 7-minute miracle in action. Would you try this speed cleaning at home? Let me know below.